All right, all right. How's everyone doing? We're doing these a little bit different. I don't feel like standing this time. I'm being a little lazy. Why is my camera? All right, guys, you know the drill. I'm just gonna get everything out to my peeps. So if you guys want to skip ahead, if you're watching the replay, you know what to do. If I can type fast enough. One more. Come on. It's a lot easier to do with two monitors. I'm so happy I was able to fix this. Oh, of course, I forgot to put the link. All right, we're all good. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? Happy Monday. Hope you guys are all doing well. Had a good weekend. I know I did, for the most part. Went to go see the new Doctor Strange. Definitely a great movie. Recommend you guys go see that if you haven't. Got some stuff done. I apologize if I wasn't able to go live Thursday or Friday. I decided Thursday something came up and I couldn't. Friday I thought it'd be a quick and easy task to switch cases on my PC. Nah, it took me like 4 or 5 hours to do, so that was nice. So I apologize for not live streaming towards the end of last week, but we're here today. Hope you all are doing well. Now let's jump into the TA real quick. What is going on? So Bitcoin has recovered a little bit. It's kind of just staying stagnant at this point. You know, we've been talking about this for a while as a bit possible. Well, this is a big ABC, and then so far within this C leg, this seems like one continuous trend. So are we gonna get, you know, lower low, or next question is, the possibility is that it, you know, is the C wave just gonna, is a C wave just gonna be one straight shot and then we're gonna reverse from here? Well, we don't know. We'll find out. Let me guys just go over what I'm currently doing. So I am shorting off of this ABC here on BTC at about 30,000. Oh, wrong line. 31,000. What's up, buddy? How you doing? So going over this short here. Now, depending on where this wants to go, I'm probably just going to take profit early. I don't plan on riding this down all the way down here because I am currently long as well, and I'll go over that in a second. But the 0.441 lines up with the just local low here at about, what is that, 27.9, somewhere in that region. Let me just box that off for you. I'm probably gonna look to be taking profits somewhere around here. Maybe it might take partial. Who knows what I'm feeling? Let's see what happens. But you know, this looks like a to a B to a C. Let's see what happens. But I am in my shorts just in case either scenario plays out. And I am also long off of this ABC here, because I knew that, if I recall correctly, yeah, there is really no, where is that 20? See if that lines up with any local low lines. I don't remember off the top of my head. No, it really doesn't. You do have something at about 26,000. So I was just playing alongside just in case. I really don't know which direction is gonna play out or not. It really depends. But I am. You know what? I currently don't remember where I'm long from. Now I know that number is lower than it was last time, but I'm currently switching over to Bybit, as I've been trying to do for the past 3 months. Just haven't done it. Finally decided to do that. So I'm stuck in some I'm not stuck, but I'm in some trades still on Femex. So as soon as either I get stopped out or whether I take profit, that's when I'll start moving stuff over. Where am I long from? 27,982. 27,982. If that's really based off of, oh, you know what, it might be different because it's USD margin. It's not the best entry, but I am long off of this ABC here. So right now I'm just letting it fight, see what happens. And that's about it for the most part. Nothing much has really changed. Just last time we talked on here, besides the new entries. To me, on the bigger scale, it looks like price has not put in a full completed bottom, or something I like to see. So let's see what happens. So just letting these two positions just fight out and see who wins. Worst case scenario, I come out on top anyway. I am also, let's go over ETH real quick. Now, unfortunately, I did not get this in the Discord group. I don't know why I thought I did, but by the time I realized I didn't, it was too late. So I didn't want to say anything and have you guys try to jump into the positions early or late. I am short off of this ABC as well. Let's go to a 30-minute. Same sort of scenario, either based off the local low here, the 0.441 of the trend. So yeah, somewhere in that area. I will be looking to take some profit, just to kind of hedge myself. So yeah, that's about it. Nothing much has changed trading wise. Similar setup, still rocking 3% stop loss. Got that Apple Watch. Ooh, which one did you get? Did you get one of the newer ones, or did you get the series? Because I think this is a series 7. You know what's fucked up? Vigo, I'm sorry. I still have my old one. I didn't realize that until the other day. I could have just straight up just sold this to you for like $100. I don't use it anymore. So if you ever lose one, or the other one breaks, you don't want to replace it, let me know. I have a spare one. But I think this is the... which series is this? This is the Series 3. And I think this is the Series 7. I got this one for Christmas. I cannot see. But yeah, regardless, whatever watch he has is Series 7, I believe. Yeah. So whatever which one. So next time, Miko, let me know if that one ever breaks or you lose it or something. Let me know. I'll get rid of this one for you. Let's see. If you have trouble setting up the alerts and stuff, let me know. I'll walk you through how to do it. Colton, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Hope you had a good weekend. See you robots. Thanks for stopping by. How you doing, buddy? Yeah, no problem. But I am officially moving back to Bybit. Thank God. I did fuck up, though. I did fuck up. Now let me explain. Femex has a very shitty setup of how you send over EOS or some of those coins that have memos. So I fucked up and I actually typed the wrong memo when I was switching over some of my EOS. So now some of my portfolio is somewhere in the abyss, in Bybit's abyss. So I had to go get a support ticket through them, and hopefully can figure that out soon. But I replenished what I lost. It was only a couple $100. So let's go into Bybit. I actually need to update some of the information for referrals and stuff. In case you guys are interested, it'll help me out. I have to update the referral link. So we're back on Bybit. The account is sitting at about, if I remember correctly, you know, I'll just check. If I had to guess, I think I'm still sitting at like 1,800. 3, 1, 5, 12. Your assets, right? Yeah, 1383. So $1,900. We almost 4x the account. I am fucking pumped. I am excited. Happy to see it. Tempted to start 1% stop loss soon with the watch. I mean, I wouldn't jump right into it. Maybe work your way down. Because I currently use like a 1.5%, but I'm using a little bit more margin. I'm experimenting with something. And 1.5 has been good to me. I think off of the ABC setup on BTC, I don't think I was even stopped out. Using 1.5. Let me just double check. Yeah, and I think with 1% you would have been stopped out twice. Okay, no, just once as well. But see, I'm using extra margin to make up for that. I don't recommend people doing that. But I have a little more experience. I'm not using that much more. good over here. My portfolio not quite as much, but that can change. I'm sorry to hear that, bud. If you have any questions, let me know. If I can help. All right. I forgot to say anything. If you guys have, this is the part of the video where you guys can just ask me anything. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. If I hit this trade, if I hit these trades, the account is gonna hit the 4x mark. I'm almost positive. 20, let's say 28. Let's say. 180. Yeah, that'll put me. That right there will put me at 2K. And I don't know about. It's a good TP for. Forgot that number. Let's do 1880. 204. Yeah. Okay. I was holding Luna. Yeah, that'll do it. Damn. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Shit like that sucks. Volume's low. Is this good enough? Is this better? Guys, let me know how the volume is. I'm just gonna turn it up a little bit on my end. Let me know how that is. What the fuck? Is it better? Or is it like, do I still need to push it up a little bit more? Johnny, what's up, buddy? How you doing, man? Thank you for stopping by. Yosef, how you doing, buddy? Thank you for stopping by as well. I appreciate you. Let me know how that volume is. I turned it up just a little bit more. More? Okay. How about that? Check, check, check. Mic check. Check, 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 check. Still can't hear it? Came from Slayer at 75% volume and can't hear it. Oh, is that just you? That's funny. I don't blame you. All right, everyone else. Looks like Johnny is slightly. Can you show your voice meter setup? Yeah. So basically I have... What the fuck? The gain is literally topped out. I cannot go any higher. But I have an interface going in. The room? So you guys can hear my AC in the background, but not me. But anyway, voice meter is the microphone goes into interface. It goes into this input one. This I had to download a separate audio. It's like the wrong. What the fuck? Maybe if I turn it down on that end here, turn it up here. Let me turn down the sensitivity on the mic. Hold on, guys. Let me use the... Is that any better? Is that any better? Better? God damn it, dude. Check, check. See, it's loud on my end. Yeah, it sounds fine to me. Is it different if I turn this off? Can you guys hear that? Johnny, I'm blaming the Slayer. How is not subbed, my bad. No worry, Travers. No worry, I appreciate it. Alright. Next, I'm gonna dump voice meter after this. Turn it down on voice meter and turn it up on Windows. See, like, I'm using Streamlabs. Is that any better? Let me know if that's any better. Check, check, mic check. Check, check, check. Hey, 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 hey. Check, check, check. Let me know if it's better or worse. Fucking voice meter, dude. That's better? Alright. I know what I did, so I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay. Hopefully that works. And I'll turn it down here just a little bit. Alright. I think this is good for now. Let me know what you guys think. Alright. Let me... How's the room noise? Is the room noise any better? I turned down the sensitivity on the input a little bit. Let me know how that is, guys. All right, let's see. Did I miss any chats? What up, Johnny? How you been? I'm holding BTC short and long, mostly just chilling. You buying the KDA for a hold? I did buy some. Sorry, robots. You guys can hear that? It's my damn AC. Let me turn. I'm gonna do something. Hold on. It's gonna be quiet for a little bit. All right. How's that? Because the first thing I did was turn up the input on the interface, and that's how you guys can hear the. No worries, Johnny. I appreciate it. Every time I think I got it good, I always something fucking happens. You must be in a grow room. It's my mining rigs. You don't hear my graphics cards going off in the background? I keep all those fans on. But Josh, I appreciate you stopping by, buddy. How you doing? But the robots, to answer your question, I did buy a little. I bought like $200, and that's chilling. I buy all my other coins on my other computer. All right. The fuck keeps messaging me. All right, guys. You guys any more questions for me? We're just here. We're just chilling. If you guys looking for the TA, you can rewind back a little bit. Yeah, I'm excited. If KDA does go off, Trevor, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you, buddy. I just got that notification. I think, what am I sitting at? Sitting at 67? Yeah. Are we short? Are we short? I remember those jokes. Yes. I am short, which means probably you guys, a good amount of you guys are short too. Kind of personal, but do you trade for a living? Yes and no. So yes, I trade. I don't live off a lot of it. I basically, what I do is I'm trying to accumulate as much as possible for when maybe this bull run, I'll probably cash out a majority of it. And there is a small portion I dedicate profits to spending / life. It's very small though, like the number fluctuates, but if I had to guess, like maybe like less than 1,000. I only take out like couple, maybe like $400 or $500 a month. And I just use that to like kind of pay off some bills and help with some stuff. Or if I need to like buy something extra, I'll take out some money, but that's very rare. I kind of have a split. I have a set percentage of what I want to use for each. Like if this account, like this is like money to me that if it blows up, I'm gonna buy something stupid. I'm gonna buy something really fucking stupid. So I'm excited. Hopefully it does play out. I already have some ideas what I want to buy. But like now, if this account works, this is when I'm going to start spending a little bit more. But majority of my money I've been playing with has been rolling over into either other accounts or just hodl or bags or just like side money or just hodl money or just emergency money. I don't have a lot that I spend. So, what kind of car do you guys want to see me buy? I already know what I'm gonna get. It's dead set in stone. Yes, I hope that answers your question now. I do, but I don't. Like, I do trade for a living, but I mostly use my money for other things, other types of investments. I don't spend any of it that much, really. Sounds like you want a Lambo. We'll see. We'll see. A lot of people could be very mad at me. if I buy a Lambo. Challenger. Another good option. Nothing wrong with the Hellcat. Me personally, depending on what my budget is. No, I do have a full-time job, Yosef. I do have a full-time job. I do this. Basically, my job is like my stable income. So I still have money I make from a job. I work full-time, but I'm able to juggle this as well. Now, depending on how much I walk away with this, I have two options. I'm looking at either like a 2020 to 2022 M2. I've been working with BMW for the last couple of years, and I've driven every single M car except for the M8 and the older M6s. I've driven every single one. M2, 3, 4, 5, X3M, X4M, maybe not the X5M, X6M, and the M2 is like one of my favorite cars I've ever driven because the performance to size the performance to size ratio is phenomenal. Like, I've driven the M5. That thing is a boat that will do 180 no problem. Same thing with the M4 is like a bigger version of the M2. It's the same motor, I believe, a little bit heavier. That's like a $60,000, $65,000 car in a decent condition. If I make more than that, I'm buying a C8 Corvette. I'm buying a new Corvette. I love that thing ever since it came out. I really want a Z06, but if you don't have an allocation for it now, you try to buy it used, people are gonna try to buy off of someone else. You're gonna be trying to flip it for $250K. At that point, you might as well buy a fucking McLaren. I had a 92. Ooh, is that the Fox body? I'm a cheese ball in a Camaro. I want a 65 Mustang. That's a classic, dude. Can't go wrong with the 1960 Mustangs. Well, the later 60 ones. Nice. Fun cars. I had a Mustang back in the day. They rip. Dude, I think Fox bodies are cool. I just wasn't the biggest fan of the way they looked. Definitely better looking than like the early 2000s ones. I couldn't stand those. I know a friend of mine had a Fox body back in high school. Oh no, college. Sorry, college. And that thing was pretty cool. It was fast and it was fucking loud. Oh, sold it for an 04 Durango with 22s. Oh. I'm sorry, Josh. I'm sorry you had to do that. Dig the new Corvette too. Like, Chevy hit the nail on the head. You tell me you put an LS motor in a mid-engine supercar style body, and the thing literally looks like a Ferrari. So that's a no-brainer for me. And the Z06 has the same flat plane crank V8 as the Ferrari 458. So it's literally a knockoff American version of a Ferrari. But it might be cheaper to buy a 458 used after. I guarantee you those cars are going to be MSRP is probably going to be like 150 to 180. People are going to be trying to sell them for 250. I promise you that. Never liked Corvette's new one. Looks sick in blue. Yeah, that Rapid Blue is fucking awesome, man. I love that Rapid Blue. C8. Rapid Blue. I love. You know what? You know which one actually slaps? The orange. The orange one looks fucking clean. I love the orange. I saw one for sale the other day, and I was like, you know what? This is an underrated color. I love that. So, if I can get that account up to like 100K, I'll I'll buy one of those. And if the way this is gonna go, this account, I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but I can see this, if this keeps going the way it's going to, and it probably won't, it'll probably slow down, but if I keep hitting the nail on the head on these trades, I can pick up something ridiculous pretty quick. Fire, yeah, dude, I love the orange. Well, that's sweet, very McLaren like. Yes, that's one of the reasons why I like it. The rapid blue and the orange are probably the two colors I would get. Or Audi has a shit, what is it called, a Nardo gray. Audi S5 Nardo gray. Now I'm not, you know, I'm not a big fan of the Audis, but I love that color. If I can get like a wrap or something, a C8 in that cover, oh. Mike G, what's up, dude? Hey, buddy, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. We're talking about stupid shit I might buy if this account ever blows up. You're getting some serious tail in that one. It's definitely be turning heads. It doesn't take much to turn heads. I drove an I wanted to say R8, but it's the i8, the BMW. I had to go pick it up from a body shop recently, and this thing is like meh. The doors are the coolest part of this thing. Like, I know you guys know what an i8 looks like, but I drove it down across town to go pick something up, and everyone was fucking looking. I'm like, this car doesn't even make a noise. Like, come on. Yeah, no doubt. Another thing I let my ex-wife and her dad talk me into, along with selling my house once again. Oh my god. Wow. Jeez, man. Get some pricey car washes. Oh yeah, no. Yeah, you gotta take care of one of those. My friend had a Camaro wrapped one. What, in that Nardo gray? Oh, camo wrap. There's a Camaro camo wrapped one. What, the i8? Oh. Oh. Don't buy an i8, please. That car will turn heads, but it's boring. I've punched to the floor. I've gone foot to the floor in that car, and it has a little bit of balls, but it's an electric car. Oh, the i8 camo wrapped. Oh, I'm sorry, but that's not. No, thank you. I don't do camo wrapped cars. I don't know why people do that. Not my thing. So let's see how this account does. Because at this point, like, I think we got to 4x in 3 months. So three months of another. So let's say we'd say we can move 4x discount 4 more times. I want to do something else because I don't know what the math's gonna be. 1, 2, 3. So if I keep this up 4x every 3 months, I can turn $500 into 120 grand. Let's see what happens. But if the bull market does come, and that's only a year. So if we go at this for longer than a year and the bull market hits, that number might go up to like quarter. We can probably get that up to a quarter. For $500. something. $500 is not a lot. And I still have money on the side that I was gonna put into this account, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it because we've been doing so. You know what? I think I'm just gonna fucking do it. So I have another grand. So 1894. I don't know why 2000. So let's say I start the next set of trades with this amount. Let's say we can 4x this again or 3 other times. 1, 2, 3. So just that extra $1,000 gave me a potential 60,000. Jeez. Nah, I need more time to learn. You can always learn while you earn. And I know your situation is, how do I say it, different, because I know we talked about this. I won't go too far into detail because, you know, it's a private conversation, but you're in a position where you have a better chance of getting more at the end because you're adding to your account. This, I'm just gonna add $1,000 and that's it. Imagine if I can add $1,000 every month, or, you know, a week. $1,000 a week is a lot, but, you know, being able to compound your account on top of growing it, that's like the ultimate recipe for success. So you got time, but definitely can I give me your address and your credit card info? So I always tell people, are you just trading ETH and BTC? For now, yes. Now that I'm moving over to Bybit, I might, you know, try to focus on alts or different smaller cap coins, depending. I really don't have any on my radar besides from watching Ryan Matta and Kite talk about KDA. I might just do that instead. For this account, yeah, like I'm trying to set an example that you guys can do this just by trading ETH and BTC. Now, if I was trading KDA while everything was going, like, you know, when KDA was pumping, and I definitely could have gotten a long position, this account would have been way ahead. But I'm trying to see if I can up my risk just a tiny bit and see if over the course of the long run I can get similar results instead of trading alt as well. But who knows? I'm kind of just ideas I'm spitballing. Yeah, a bit risky because do you want to see half money for your life? Otherwise, I'm stacking weekly, which is good. Yeah, definitely, Mike. Keep doing your thing. And now, and if you can get up your alert set up correctly, you know, take down your stop loss a little bit. KDA looks legit, but keep it on the low. I'm trying to stack some backs. For sure, man. You know, you won't catch me talking about alts that much, to be honest. It's not necessarily my cup of tea. I got 7 people in here. Wow, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you guys are looking for TA, you guys can ask. I'll go over it again. If not, rewind to the beginning of the video, probably like the first couple minutes after I get all my links out. I got all my TA out in the beginning. We're kind of just hanging out at this point. So if you guys have any questions for me. Not me. I'm wearing holy socks to save all my money for crypto. Yeah, sometimes that's how even me. That's how I am. Like I try not to spend that much money. You know, I buy a couple things there here and there. But I don't really spend that much. I'm trying to take the time to accumulate as much as possible. I just hope it goes back down there, but I doubt it. Never say never, Mike. Never say never. I think, yeah, KuCoin was the one. Because you never know, this could be... Just saying. Possible. Let's see, I haven't barely bought clothes for 2 years. Yeah, I'm almost the same way. Every once in a while, I'll like buy a shirt or two, but you don't see me wearing designer shit. I haven't, okay, see. Is it worth it to save now or to be wealthy later? It depends on your goals. I feel like most people are here to create some sort of wealth for themselves, whether it's now, generational. It really depends on what you want. Like, if you don't give a shit and you're just getting here trading, you just focusing on making a certain amount a month, go ahead. But for me, the money is accumulating and holding for the longer term. Test bottom once, nobody knows. Test bottom twice, everyone knows. That's true, Josh. That is very true. But you also got to think too is fear and greed. The fear. There's a lot of fear on the streets right now. I think the CNN posted something. Fear and greed. Now I don't know how accurate this is, so don't quote me on this. But I'm looking at this from perspective of the herd. What is the herd looking at? Now, I'm going to play devil's advocate here. People who are fearful, all right, and especially majority are fearful, can cause a market to pump. But that pump, that momentary or that temporary pump might just lead to another dump. I'm just saying. Because if things are really going to get as bad as some people are calling for, it's not going to be a straight shot up, straight shot down. It's going to be a lot of chop in between. There's going to be a lot of indecisiveness. I personally think there's going to be some sort of rally in the near future, because everyone's so afraid of a recession. So I don't, you know what I mean? Who knows? The Fed might play some games, pump some money. I'm not going to sit here and talk too much about that, because that's not my avenue and that's not my cup of tea. That's not what I know, but just based off of that and what I know about crypto and how charts can work, you know, decided some ideas that I like to talk about. Let's see. Time is gonna go by anyway. Would you rather be wealthy and old or just older? Dude, I have 20 black tees. You and me both, Mike. Literally half, like, I have just like Nike shirt. 95% of my shirts are black. I have like maybe 5 different color shirts. That's funny. Let's see. Upgrading my phone and having issues with my Bybit account stuck in KuCoin. Ah, it sucks. Yeah, you know, Yosef asked you to just beat me to it. Do you have an iPhone or do you have an Android? Watch Garrett Soloway on Kitco and made a good argument for 20K. I mean, that's like the ultimate. If Bitcoin gets to 20K, everyone's going to be fucking going crazy. That'd be good for us. Especially my shorts. iPhone 12, I think it's the VPN. What is it saying, robots? Is like you can't log in, or is it like something where it's not recognizing the VPN? Oh, guys, that the weekend I work. Me. Sorry, guys, hold on. I just gotta Me. Oh, of course, it's the week. It's the week I fucking work. Oh. Well, you just... Okay, so since you're watching, Denise picked a good time to, to... No, it's not her fault. Of course, it's a Saturday I fucking work, so let's see. For you guys you don't know, the girl just texted me. She's watching the stream. Yeah, it won't let me log in on the new phone. So I got two phones. One for the plug, one for the homies. But isn't the wedding on... The wedding's on Saturday. The 2nd is a Saturday, Heather. All right, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop doing that. So let's see. It won't let me log in on the new phone. Interesting. After the stream, robots, if you're still having trouble, let me know. Because I re-downloaded Bybit, made a new account, and I haven't had any problems signing in or anything. It's all about the levels we break down here. To the next target. Risk on assets not doing good in this environment. Yeah, definitely. Josh, I 100% agree. 100% agree. A few months ago, found someone on Twitch was shorting something like 50K. Wow. I mean, hey, if it gets to 18... That boy's gonna be making out like a fiend. And he's probably making a killing off funding. Let's see how, and that's another thing too. It's like, so people are like calling for a recession and all that, and like most people who think recession think of like 1920s, like, you know, barely making enough money to eat bread kind of thing. Like, it's the odds of that happening. We're so advanced technology wise that I don't it's gonna suck if we do go into a recession, but I don't think it's gonna be like that. Like, it's gonna be bad though. It's gonna be bad. He made a good argument for 18K too. You never know. He's Lambo. I mean, so like with 18K, the reason why like I'm not dead set on that is I just don't think that it's gonna be instant. If anything, we can put in like something like this, like ABC, all right, and then ABC. Oh shit. So we have this ABC here, all right, but we can pump and then go down to, you know, test 20K. So to make that clear for you guys, let me change that to like, what's a good color? Yellow? No, it's a bad color. Pink? That's also a bad color. White? Yeah, let's do white. You know, it could be something like that, where this takes a long time to get to. I don't think it's going to be a straight shot. Maybe not that exaggerated exactly, but maybe something like this. I could see something like that happening, for sure. He's Lambo all day. We could get back down to test lower, but either way we'll short it down or long it up. Exactly. To me, it doesn't matter what it gets down to. It's just... doesn't matter what happens. So we just follow what price action gives us. CEO said, not gonna lie, 18K doesn't sound too crazy. Am I wrong? Like this, in perspective wise, now where I'm coming from is from something like this. Look at the size of these previous bull markets. You know, what if this section here that we're going through right now is similar to something like this? Not to be exact, but like, let's say we consolidate just to have another leg down. Just an idea. But usually in these bear markets, they're multi-year, and it's not just one straight shot and sideways. You're gonna have some sort of stabilization, maybe some sort of retest, and you're probably gonna have either another test of the lows, if not lower. So it really depends. I honestly, like, when I put it in perspective like that, tell me, correct me if I'm wrong, but it doesn't, 18K doesn't sound that unreasonable at all. Let's see. That's what I would like to see. Dumpster fires and chaos. Well, so, yeah, exactly. People will be, it's gonna suck, but it'd be an opportunity of a lifetime. Opportunity of a lifetime. Super cycle, we're going to 100K tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, I'm in a long, so fuck it, bring it on. Get the 30-year hodl bags filled. Exactly. Be an opportunity of a lifetime for you guys. I'll be here. Other people will be here to tell you the same thing. 44 countries are buying Bitcoin right this second. Yeah, the volume, I mean, could be there, but I think bigger players have way more influence on the market than some of these countries. We'd be riding up forever from $18. When's halving? That's, I think it's, so yeah, 726 days, 10 hours. So what is that? That's like, yeah, it's like about 2 years, a little bit over 2 years. Just a little bit over 2 years. Oh, completely joking. I got you. Might put a crazy low offer open for a year, just hoping to get lucky on a flash crash. And yeah, open for a year. The thing with flash crashes, though, is that sometimes limit orders don't get filled. Just be careful on that. Like, usually, like, with spot buying, you guys don't have to be exact. You guys don't have to be exact at all. There's a relative range you have to stick to, but I don't think, like, sometimes, like, with flash crashes, like the COVID dump, a lot of people, some people, I know I've heard stories of people not getting orders or limit orders filled because the prices came down, orders got eaten up, and it came right back up, and it was so many limit orders down there that all of them didn't get filled. Like 2 years, that's when we buy the cars. Yeah, buy the cars, use them for content, get a tax write-off. Hint, hint. I have some ideas. That's another reason why I want to buy a car too. Who wants to listen to Crypto TA hit a Lambo? I'm just kidding. Maybe. Let's see. Did I miss anything? This is an awesome conversation, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and just chatting it up. I really appreciate every single one of you. We've been on here for an hour already. Hasn't felt like it at all. Again, thank you. Thank you guys so much. Really means a lot to me. If you guys haven't liked the video, I appreciate you liking it. Subscribe if you haven't. I get a car robot. That'd be cool. That'd be cool. Aw, thanks, buddy. I love you too. I love you too. Hope we all buy Lambos in 2 years. That's the goal, man. I hope we all get to. Oh, Josh, I just got your DM. Wow, I think it's clean. That is clean. I just want a 5.0 back. You want a Fox body, or would you willing to get like a newer Mustang? All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up in like 5-10 minutes. So any closing questions, anything else for me before we start to slowly sign off here? It's not gonna be a rush. It's gonna be like a, you know, so I'm just kind of eyeballing the time here. Has to be Fox body. Nope, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Cool cars, man. Just getting very hard to find in good condition. I know someone who wants one, and then one day we looked. It was like 6 months ago. And they were either shit boxes or they wanted like ridiculous money for it. Mine at 105,000 kilometers. Oh, are you kidding me? Fuck. I gotta stop. I keep forgetting to buy a adapter, a battery adapter for this camera, and I just never do it. I gotta get one from Sony though, because I bought like 2 of them and they each shit the bed. All right. Let me. I thought I had more time on this camera or on this battery. I'm out switching batteries here like an asshole. Okay, we're back. All right, I'm probably gonna wrap things up now because I know this one's about to die soon. So, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you guys. I really do. Hopefully, I plan on coming back Thursday or Friday. I'm not gonna be rebuilding my PC again, so, and both of my monitors seem to be working, so it's good. Everything's back to operational condition for now until something else happens. But thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate you. If you like the video, I would appreciate subscribe if you haven't. If you guys need any extra help, I do have a link. Now, it doesn't have to be. I offer one-on-one help if you guys really need it. You know, it's a little bit. Let me show you guys everything here. Go to my page. Come on. Oh my God, not now. I'm sorry, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. So if you guys are interested, I do have a Patreon. Oh no. Well, I just bet and fucked this up. If you guys are interested, I do have. There's different levels to this. If you guys need help or anything, I'm not going to sit here and chill. Once in a while, I will. Just in case you guys are having help, I do have a Discord as well. If you guys are interested in just getting behind the scenes content, mostly educational stuff in my Discord. I am working on some psychology section. Unfortunately, it's taking a lot longer for me than I expected. A lot of more editing, and I wanted to scrap it and do it all over again. But I do have a section here where you guys can get access to my calls if you guys are interested. If not, it's all good. But anyway, until then, guys, thank you guys so much. Let me just pull everything back up here again so I can see your pretty faces. Let's see. All right, thank you guys again so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single one of you. Be good, be safe, and until next time, let's make some money. Well, let's hope these shorts make some money. All right, guys, have a good night. I'll see you in a couple days. Hopefully nothing too crazy happens in between then. Yosef, thank you so much for stopping by. Robots, thank you so much for stopping by. Josh, thank you. Thank you everyone. Miko, Yosef, Robots, Trevor, Mike, Johnny. I'm just going through the list. All right, guys, be good, be safe. Thank you. Appreciate you. Good night.